to Caramel Green. Today I'm going to be doing an update on some 1 or 2 year old onion bulbs, mung beans and sunflower seeds that I found. So this is 2 weeks later. Those are the sunflower seeds and mung beans, and these are some of the onion bulbs. I'm not sure what that is, but some kind of flower. More onion. These are some of the sunflower seeds and mung beans, but they haven't grown yet. More onion bulbs. In the top right, I'm making some fertilizer and some kind of paintings to support my tomato plants. So yeah, this is 2 weeks in, and then afterwards I'll show you 4 weeks in. The onions were literally completely dried and shriveled up. Yeah, these are some onions I tried to regrow, which doesn't seem to be working. And the mung beans and the sunflower seeds were in a grow bag thing. So some of them I soaked in water and did the way you're supposed to do it, but these ones I just planted straight outside. There are also some kind of flowers growing. Sorry, I can't remember what they are. I can't remember when they grow. The onion really enjoys growing under glass. So it's handy doing it in the bottle, but it's a bit tedious putting it back on. So many onions. Because they looked half dead, there's literally about 30 planted there. So this is 4 weeks in. So you can see the mung beans have leaves coming out of them now. And some of them I put a cover on to see if they liked it or not. Not sure. Not much movement on those onions, but I think because it's a bit shady at the bottom, these onions are growing up a lot. Before there was nothing happening in this jar, but I can see something going on in there now. More spring onion. Again, these ones seem to be growing up under glass now, in the onions. I think the onions in the big pot, I'll kind of trim them and use it as spring onion, and the ones that I planted in smaller pots I'll dig up when they're ready, of course. I tell you, I really can't wait to see what flower that is. I wish I could remember. So the onion ends still aren't doing well. I don't think I planted anything in this pot. Oh, I did. Sunken flower. I'm also regrowing garlic, ginger, lettuce, and I'm propagating some blackcurrant trees at the moment, or bushes I should say, so that'll be fun. That'll be in the next video. I can't wait till I can literally pick my whole meal from my garden. That'll be so nice. Look at these onions, they just look so heavy. So I also planted some of the mung beans and sunflowers in here. It looks like only the sunflowers have survived. This is some mint I'm growing to try and keep the cats away. And my tomato plants don't look very happy. I moved them outside, and I didn't bother to acclimatise them. I just did it in one day, so yeah, don't do that. This is a bit random, but this is just a frisby I found in the garden. So I planted some of the mung beans and stuff in it, and they seem to like it. I'll let you know in a couple of weeks' time how my pandemic food garden is going on. Thank you for watching.